Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn and write essay on ISRO in English. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. ISRO is India's space agency. Second line is, it stands for Indian Space Research Organization. Third line is, it was created in 1969 to develop and use space technology. Fourth line is, its main job is to launch satellites and explore space for India. Fifth line is, it also helps predict the weather and find natural resources. Sixth line is, these contributions have improved the lives of millions of Indians. Seventh line is, it built India's first satellite, Aryabhatta. Eighth line is, with Chandrayaan-3 of ISRO, India has become the first nation in the world to successfully land on the south pole of the moon. ninth line is its programs have played a significant role in the socio-economic development of India. Last line, that is line number 10, is its work makes India proud and shows that the country is good at science and technology.